Hey there, hope you're doing all right. Ryan Hardy here. Today I want to talk about the most important, the most often discussed issues in a divorce, and that's children. And when it comes to children, there should be no doubt as to what the rights and duties are, how the rights and duties are exercised and shared by the parents, between the parents. And like any issue in a divorce, uh, the parenting plan, those rights and duties can be agreed to or decided, of course, by a judge. They're going to be outlined in the parenting plan in the final decree of divorce. And this is going to be the most lengthy part of the divorce decree. It's lengthy because it's very detailed. The primary issues will relate to custody or conservatorship, as it's called in the Texas Family Code, possession and access, and child support. Conservatorship addresses a parent's rights regarding the children. This is where terminology can be a bit tricky. We see a lot of people use terms like full custody, sole custody, split custody, 50-50, primary custody, and so on. And when we talk about custody, we're dealing usually with the question of where the children live, where they spend the majority of their time, and conversely, which parent is paying or exercising visitation, paying child support. In most cases, you and your spouse will have joint custody. You'll be named joint managing conservators of your children. And the policy at the heart of this is the desire, the public policy, to promote meaningful and continuous contacts between the children and both parents, as long as each parent can act in the best interest of the children. The parenting plan will also clearly define all the legal rights and duties each parent has. In the joint custody scenario, with the exception of a couple of exclusive rights that's going to be discussed in the blog, parents share in the rights and duties associated with the children. These are rights that are really at the heart of being a parent. Possession and access deals with the details of visitation, the visitation schedule for a parent, which is usually the parent not designated as the primary custodian. The word is a little bit misleading and unfortunate because it's not necessarily which parent is the best parent. It's about which parent is better suited to take on the role of the primary caregiver and advance the best interest of the children. Child support, of course, outlines the amount and the terms of payment of support for the children. In the vast majority of cases, all of these rights and duties, including child support, last until the children reach the age of 18 or graduate high school, whichever occurs later in time. So check the description for more details and a link to the blog. Thanks. Stay safe.